We are here in DC to host our Design for Joy presentation and workshop. It is designed to lead people into a discovery process of what brings them joy. People are really finding that they can bring themselves back in time to a more childlike state of discovery and inspiration and wonder. We help them bring those things into the creation of a magical, sustaining, nurturing space. We talk about the connection to nature, for example, plants and biophilic design, so that they can better understand what kind of spaces are going to make them feel nurtured.
And we spoke in the presentation about happiness versus joy, and they definitely resonated with this experience. Everybody exclaimed how they hadn't done art recently or they hadn't had a chance to do things for themselves. And in looking at all the materials and the inspiration images and feeling the fabrics, even if it's not a space that they're planning on renovating, they can start to bring in items that would bring them joy.
So much about home is how you feel. And language is hard to describe because, feelings, emotions, the senses are very personal. And so to be able to kind of curate and create experiences like this that allow us to sort of create language around what we're feeling and to be able to articulate to other people, I think it makes us more impactful. And I think experiences like this show and demonstrate the alignment with the human experience in different tones. And that really, so much about how we feel in space is inspired by light. And I think in a lot of ways, lighting is a vehicle to travel our memories back to experiences that we've had before, and they really invoke an emotion.
Workshops like this are great for everybody. It helps them think about what the possibilities are.